In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly attach a file to an invoice and then efficiently send it via email. We all know that managing invoices is a crucial part of ensuring smooth business operations, and sometimes it's necessary to include additional documents or information. Whether it's a detailed list of services provided, an agreement, or supporting documents, attaching a file to your invoice can provide clarity and enhance communication. Let's start with the first step, where you'll want to have the invoice open in your invoicing software or platform. Once you have it ready to go, look towards the bottom section of the page. Here, you'll find a button or link labeled Attach File. This is your gateway to including vital files with your invoice. Clicking on this button will usually open a file manager window, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Take a moment to locate the file you wish to attach. It might be saved on your desktop, or perhaps in a dedicated folder for business documents. Whatever the case, navigating through your folders should be straightforward. Once you find the right file, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. Double check to ensure it's the correct file you want to attach to this specific invoice. Now that you've chosen your file, you should see an option to open or upload it, depending on your specific software interface. Click to upload the file and wait a moment while it attaches to your invoice. Usually you'll get a confirmation or visual cue on the screen that the upload was successful. Occasionally you might see a thumbnail of the document or a file name listed, reassuring you that the file is now linked with the invoice. The attaching of the file is complete, and now it's time to move on to emailing the invoice. Most invoicing platforms have a built-in feature to do this directly. Look for a button or option labeled Email or Send via email. Click on this, and you'll typically see a window or page where you can draft your email message. Here, you can double-check the recipient's email address. Normally, the address is pre-filled based on your saved client information, but it helps to ensure it's correct before sending. Add a subject line and a brief message if desired to give your email a personal touch. You might want to include any important notes or a friendly greeting. When you're ready, take a final look to confirm that all the information is correct. Then simply click the Send button, and that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your invoice and sent it via email. With this simple process, keeping your invoicing well documented and clear for your clients is made easy. Remember, taking care of these small details helps in maintaining professionalism and fostering good client relationships. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your business efficiently.